Welcome back to Mid-American Eats. Our next dish, blueberry lemon shake-up. Blueberries from Michigan, of course, peak season right now. What I want to do is just cut my lemons here, get them ready to go. We're going to leave them right over here for right now. What we're going to be making here is a simple syrup. A simple syrup is equal parts water and sugar. But what I've done, little blueberries, right? So I got my sugar. Go ahead and do a pour. This is the easiest way to do this. Go ahead and put your water right in. There you go. It's ready to go. So right in the pan. Make sure you're getting all that sugar in there. If you gotta do a little rinse, that's fine too. There we are. So in the meantime, while that's cooking, I'm going to turn up the heat so it comes down to a little simmer. We're going to go ahead and we're going to squeeze our lemons, okay? Now traditionally, the lemons when you go to a fair are left right in the shake. Since we're going to have blueberries in it, I want to go ahead and get the lemons out of it. Oh, this is one of my favorite things. If you want to do it for the adults, a little vodka. But I like to hand squeeze these. You know, sometimes taking the shortcuts just doesn't work with a recipe. You could use the concentrated lemon, but I'd rather use fresh lemons any day. And these are really nice and ripe. So there we go. We got all the seeds and the pulp all right there, and the lemon juice right in the bottom of it, okay? What I'm going to do is take about 2 tablespoons and pour it right in the shaker. Reserve the rest here. We're going to go check out our blueberries over here. There they are. They're already cooking. These are really ripe, so they're starting to already burst open. The sugar's doing its work. What we got here is it's already simmered. Beautiful color to it. Looks good. It's only taken about 2-3 minutes here. If you want to do this the day before and chill it down, you can do that. Me, I like using it the day of. It melts some of the ice. That equals out to some of the water that's going to be in the recipe anyway. So what I'm going to do is just set this to the side a little bit here and let it cool down. All right? And these blueberries, I don't know if you can see that. These blueberries are beautiful. All the sugar is melted in here, and it is just a wonderful thing happening. What I want to do is put a little ice in our shaker, right? Already got it ready. I'm going to go back over to the stove, and I'm going to go ahead and add some of this wonderful blueberry simple syrup to this. Oh, this is going to be fantastic. Maybe about a half a cup to 3/4 of a cup. You got the ice in there already, right? What I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little tiny bit of water to it, right? And here comes the fun part. Oh yeah. So that hot mixture that you put in there is already chilled down. As you can see by the outside, getting nice and frosty. What I like to do is take a few ice cubes right in the glass here. Take our top off. This little pour. There we go. Blueberry lemon shake.